Hi guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded some videos in this channel, so I hope you did watch my videos. And today I am going to discuss one important topic, that is eigenvalue problem. So if you are an engineering student, then this one is your very well known topic, because the problems based on eigenvalues is everywhere. Semester exam or competitive exam like GATE, engineering service, SSC JEE, or might be departmental examination, everywhere eigenvalues problem is there. Okay, so let me take one question based on eigenvalue. The question is, suppose find eigenvalues for, suppose 1 2 3 2. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. We are going to find the eigenvalues for the matrix 1 2 3 2. Okay, so how to solve this? So solution, step number 1. Step 1. In step 1, what will we do? Write the characteristic equation. Write the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is given by A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So what is A? A is basically the matrix. Okay, so let A is equal to this matrix 1 2 3 2. Okay, so this is basically 1 2 by 2 matrix, and lambda is nothing but the eigenvalues. We generally denote the eigenvalues by lambda. Okay, and what is I? I is identity matrix. I stand for identity matrix. Identity matrix. I hope you know these things. And for 2 by 2 matrix, identity matrix is given by 1 1 0 0 1, right? So if we write the characteristic equation here, so 1 2 3 2 minus lambda times what is I, this is 1 0 0 1, this will be equal to 0. I hope you are getting my process. So this will be simply 1 2 3 2 minus, since lambda is a scalar quantity, so if we multiply lambda with this identity matrix, this will be simply lambda into 0 0 0 into lambda 0, and lambda into 1 lambda, right? This will be equal to 0. Okay, so if I do negative operation here, so 1 minus lambda will be here, 1 minus lambda, so just minus the corresponding terms. 1 minus lambda, 2 minus 0 is simply 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 2 minus lambda is 2 minus lambda. Okay, so this is the matrix is equal to 0. So this is the matrix form of this characteristic equation. Okay, now the next step, this is the step number 1. This is step 1. Okay, I hope you wrote this portion. Now I am going to step number 2. Okay, so step number 2 is take determinant and equate to 0. Okay, so take determinant and equate to 0. I am writing these things again. So I hope you know how to calculate the determinant. So determinant is simply denoted between two straight lines. So 1 minus lambda, this is 2, this is 3, 2 minus lambda, this is equal to 0. Okay, so in order to find the determinant, we will multiply 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda, and by formula this will be minus. I am just multiplying this 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda, okay, and minus this thing, minus 3 into 2, this is equal to 0, right? So just multiply 1 into 2 minus lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 6 is equal to 0, right? So I am arranging lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda, this is minus 3 lambda, and plus 2 minus 6, this is simply minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Now I can write this equation as lambda minus 3 and lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Why I am doing that like this? Because we are going to find the values of lambda. So if I cross check, if we multiply lambda minus 3 into lambda plus 1, you will get this equation. Lambda square minus 3 lambda plus lambda, it will be minus 3 lambda square plus lambda. Okay, I think this will be minus lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 6. If I take this minus common, then it will be simply minus lambda minus 4 lambda plus 1. It will be, you will get this equation again, lambda square plus lambda minus 4 lambda, it will be minus 3 lambda, and minus 4 into plus 1, it will be simply minus 4. So if you solve this, then you will get lambda minus 4 is equal to 0, right? And lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. So here you will find lambda as 4 and lambda as minus 1. So this is the final result. So eigenvalues are what? 4 and minus 1. So this is the solution of the problem. 4 and minus 1 will be the eigenvalues for the given matrix. Now there are two important points to remember. I hope you wrote this solution. Just remember this answer 4 and minus 1, and you can write note. This is note. This one is important point. Number 1, sum of eigenvalues. I am simply writing EV. Sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of the matrix. Sum of the eigenvalues is trace of the matrix. And number 2, product. Product means multiplication. Product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of matrix. Which matrix? This is the question. The question here 1 2 3 2, this is the matrix, and sum of the eigenvalues will be trace of the matrix. Now let me check the solution. Here the eigenvalues we got 4 and minus 1. Now you can see sum of the eigenvalues. Here sum of the eigenvalues is what? Sum 4 plus minus 1, right? This is 3. So what is trace of the matrix? Trace of the matrix is sum of diagonal element. Okay, so sum of diagonal element in the matrix is known as trace of the matrix. So here you can see sum of the eigenvalues is 3. Also you can see here sum of the diagonal elements 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Also sum of the eigenvalues is also 3. So I have proved point number 1. Now let me check the point number 2. Okay, so what is point number 2? Point number 2 says product of eigenvalue. What is the product of eigenvalue? Product or multiplication of the eigenvalues is simply 4 into minus 1. It is what? Minus 4. Right? So number 2 says product of eigenvalues is determinant of the matrix. What is the determinant of the matrix? Now here I am finding the determinant 1, 2, 3, 2. I hope you know how to find the determinant. Okay, so I am doing 1 into 2 multiplying 1 into 2 minus, according to formula, this is minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. This is 2 minus 3 into 2, it is 6. So this is minus 4. You can see here product of the eigenvalues minus 4 and determinant of the given matrix is also minus 4. Right? So this thing is important. By using these two things, you can solve many eigenvalues problem that has already come in semester exam, GATE exam, ESC exam, or might be SSC JEE or anything. So I hope you got the solution. Remember these 2 points, and I will come back again with another video. Thank you.